Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be working on this 2014 Mazda 3. It has about 110,000 miles on it when I picked it up. The infotainment system reboots. I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. Also, I looked into the possible issues online on what this could be. One, it could actually be a hardware issue. Two, it could be a software issue. I think that's going to be in my next video. I'm going to be taking a look to see when I pull the unit out to see if it is a software issue. The third one could be the navigation SD card could be bad. I've already tried that. I removed the card, it still reboots. And the last one is around some of the radio stations in an area that could actually impact this negatively and actually cause the system to continuously reboot. Now, since I found that one station in the Portland area, and this vehicle has been in Michigan all its life, so it's definitely not that. But why don't we get started? I'll show you how to remove this infotainment system here, and then we're going to get into replacing it with a used new one. All right, let's get started. All right, the one thing that you're going to need is a little pry bar like this. It's for trim. You're going to start on this side over here, open the glove box, pull that down, and then you can stick this trim tool under here to feel where to pop the snaps off. Like that. You can come down, there's one like right in there, and then slide it down. I think there's another one right here. Now, the four-way flashers has a connector, and you just want to push on that tab and pull that connector off. Just like that. Alright, back in here, there is a 10mm bolt. And now, this unit will just come out in one piece. You do have to give it a tug. What you can do is you take your trim tool and you kind of push down on the tab by pushing it back, and that should come off. And then you have this one here. If you can get into with the tab, push that down and pull that up. What I have figured out that there are many different models very similar of these units. So this is actually the unit itself here in the back that we're going to be replacing. And they can come out of a Mazda 6, a Mazda 3, an MX-5, a CX-5, a CX-3. So the way that I figured out a lot of this on how you can reuse a lot of these models is that mine started out here, the BHP1. And if you notice, this statement over here says replaces. So this particular one that I had looked up at the beginning, the TC3M, will replace all of these models. The one that I found on eBay is a TN39. And if you look on this, it's a TN39, but it was manufactured in 2018, and it has a version number. If you can kind of see it right there, it has a higher version number and a higher manufacturing date than what my original is. This one here is manufacturing date is 2013. So what I'm going to do is just to swap these out, and it's a pretty easy swap. We're going to take apart this one wire that connects up to the screen here. That will go away. Let's disconnect all of these actually. Now this is why we couldn't use that old cable. If it was a 90, right, where it would be in this way of this plastic housing. So that's why it's a straight connector. We're just going to reconnect all of those back up like that. Now we're ready to put the unit back in the car. Turn her on. Oh, look at that. Boots up way faster than the old one. Yeah, this is good. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. Better yet, subscribe, and you'll get the latest notifications when new videos come out. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And I appreciate your support, and we'll see you back in the next video.